What is going on, everybody? Today I'm out in the woods, got my axe with me, my small backpack. There's about, I'd say, 6 inches of snow on the ground, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm doing a bit of a winter survival challenge. It's about 10 degrees outside, as you can see, so it's not super warm, but it's a bit of a heat wave considering we've been in the negative for the past week or so. But yeah, that's what this video will entail. So I am walking up on an area that I think would be good. It's kind of blocked by all these trees here, but you can see this stick here. It's pretty solid. It'd make a good base for the ribs of my shelter. And yeah, let's get started on this build. So currently right now I'm just walking around looking for what would make good ribs for my shelter, and I'm finding pieces like this fallen tree right here, and the one back there as well. There's a lot of fallen timber in the woods here, and I feel like I'm not going to have an issue finding a lot of ribs for my shelter. So here's a quick little update. So I have basically how long I want it here. As you can see, to the end stick right there. I'm starting to put ribs on both sides, and I have actually cleared out some of the snow underneath, because if I'm going to be sleeping in this, I don't want the snow to melt and get me wet. So if you climb inside, you can see that there's plenty of space for my feet, for any bedding that I want to go in here. There's plenty of space on that side. My entrance is going to be right there, and you could probably fit 2 people in here. You just got to watch out for this tree in the middle. And a little later, for bedding, I'm going to be using pine boughs. I'm going to just load up the bottom with pine boughs to keep me off the ground. So since I have most of my ribs done, I'm going to be putting sticks like this on there, just kind of fill in any gaps, things with like branches on it, and then I'm going to start putting pine boughs or bark on the outside to help keep any snow or whatever is gonna fall from getting inside the shelter here. This right here is just the start. I still have a whole lot farther to go. This right here is going to be the end of part one. You can see the front of my shelter here. Basically just got all the main ribs and everything down. I got some debris on the back here. But yeah, stay tuned for part two.